How to add items to collection in Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the items for your collection in the Roblox, you need to head over and sign in to roblox.com, or if you have the application, make sure to launch the app and sign in. Now, firstly, what you gotta do is you need to head over and click on the three horizontal line that is at the top. From here, click on the inventory option. Right from here, select on the accessory or the item that you wish to add as a collection. Over here, you will find a three dot icon, tap on it. Here, you will see Add to Profile, click on it. After it has notified you that it has been added to your profile, you can check it out by tapping on the profile icon that is in the top. Now, if you scroll down, you will find a collection right over here. If you wish to remove it, just click on the added connection. Just click on the added collection, then tap on the three dots and click on remove from profile. And this is how you can add and easily remove items from the collection. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.